2 days ago, I posted on my YouTube channel how to apply for a bachelor's degree in nursing in the UK for 3 years, and this studies is fully funded. This scholarship provides up to £20,000 for the payment of your full tuition fee, and also up to £1,500 to cover your living expenses if you relocate to the UK. It also has a condition of you to stay back in the UK in Wales to work for 2 years for you to be able to meet the scholarship terms and condition. Okay, so when I uploaded this video, I had a lot of questions on my YouTube channel, people asking me about how to go about the application and different questions. So this video is for me to answer most of those questions and also to clarify some of the questions people have asked me in the comment section. So thank you so much for the support. I see the love, I see the comment, I see the likes, and I can also see those who have newly joined our YouTube channel. So welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy, and on this channel I bring to you information about fully funded scholarship across the world and everything you need to know about scholarship application. So if it's something you want to be seeing more often, please like and also subscribe if you have not done so, and also turn on your notification bell so whenever I post any video you'll be notified. Also help me and support me by sharing my YouTube link to your family and friends so they can also join our amazing community. In today's video, to clear some of the information on the questions that are currently on my YouTube channel, so that for those who want to apply for admission, they'll be able to proceed with their applications smoothly. So this is now a disclaimer. I'm bringing you this information based on my research and my understanding from what I saw on the school website. And as you always know, whatever information I source or I see, I show them to you on the verified website or for the verified school page. So please watch this video to the end, where I will show you how to apply for this scholarship. This application opened 1st of January, so that I am able to respond to all of your questions you have about the application. So just to let you know, there are two ways to apply for this university admission. So stick with me to the end of this video so that I can walk you through how to apply for admission. Alright guys, so let's go through the application process again on how you can apply for Swansea University as an international student. So this is a disclaimer that I am doing all of this, bringing all of this information to you based on my research that I have seen on the school website, and I will show everything to you as I have seen it on their website. You could also double check by also doing your thorough review on the school website, and also feel free to reach out to the school if you need any further information or you are not clear about what I have brought to you based on my search on the school website. So here is the page for Swansea University for international applicant who wants to study BSc Nursing for 3 years. This is the funding session where it talks about you paying £20,400 for your tuition fee if you are beginning your studies September 2025. And if you go down as well, it also tells you that there are available opportunities for international students to also get this scholarship, and this includes them paying for your full tuition fee, so it covers your cost of your tuition fee, and it also gives you the 1,000 grant for living expenses, and as well the 500 pounds support, which is your relocation support to Swansea. So I just thought to bring this to your notice. But then the major reason why I'm making this video is to answer the questions around how to apply for the program, and also watch to the end so you can understand the processes and how you can apply. So there are two processes for you to apply for admission. The first process is, once you come to their landing page for Adult Nursing Swansea, you can see this apply button here. You click on apply. It's going to give you two options. So if you know you are applying from outside the UK, or if you are applying and you are not a UK citizen, then you have to click on international applicant. So if I click on international, it will give you another option. You have two ways to apply. You apply directly through the school website or through the school application portal, or you apply through UCAS. So I'm going to use this video to explain what these two processes means. So watch to the end to see how to apply through this process. There is also an advantage if you apply through UCAS. So I'm going to talk to you about that advantage of applying through UCAS when I get to that stage. So please watch to the end. So let's begin the application by applying through the school portal. So I'll choose September 2025. So I'll click on apply now. So once I click on apply now, it will show me this application page. So it's okay for you to read through how to apply. For you to create a new account, you have to use this button to do that. And if you already have an existing account, you use this to go back to the account that you have already created before, so you can continue your application. So since this is my first time creating an account for this, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to click on this so we can go over this together. So I'll click on this now to create an account. So once you come in here, you're going to see a space where you need to create a either you log in or you create a new account. So if you are a first-time user and you have not yet created an account before, what you need to do is for you to click on new user. So once you click on new user, you are able to provide all your personal information here for you to be able to create an account, and then you create an account. Okay, so please follow this process for you to be able to create an account. An email will be sent to your email address, registered email address, for you to be able to verify the account. And once that is done, you'll be able to log in, and we have this dashboard showing you Adult Nursing Swansea BSc Honours, and you're applying for the 2025-2026 academic year. And then for you to proceed with the application, just click on review and you are able to see your application. So with this, you are able to provide all of your information here and you can submit. Okay, so that is the first way for you to apply for University of Swansea. This is how you can apply through the second process, which is through UCAS. Now for you to apply through UCAS, please watch this closely and also note the very key information. Firstly, you can also come back here. You click on apply at the far top right of the page. Click on international. Remember, we already showed how you can apply directly through the school portal, or it also says that international students may also apply through UCAS. So now, since we want to demonstrate how to apply, let's click on UCAS. So click on apply through UCAS, and it also asks you if you're applying for September 2025. Yes, that is it. So I'll click on apply. Once it opens for us, we are able to see all of the information about the school website, or what we need, and what we have also seen previously on the school site. Here, I'm not sure if you can see this on the screen widely, but here you will see the apply button. So once you click on apply, that should then take you to you creating your username and your password. So for me, I already have an existing application already on UCAS. So if you're applying for this will take you to creating an account on UCAS for you to create a username and a password. So here is my application on UCAS. So I do not need to create any new account again. I'm now using my existing account to apply for this program. So once you come here, you're going to see all of the information that I need to provide if I want to apply through UCAS. If you want to apply through UCAS, it has a very unique advantage, which is one, you are able to provide up to 5 choices in your application. So this means that you are able to add the names of 5 universities you wish to apply to for the same or very similar courses on UCAS. So for instance, you can apply to UCAS with the names of schools that offer similar courses or the same courses you wish to pursue in the UK. So I will take you through that now with the list of the names of these schools I have made video about on the 13th of December 2024. So I'll come back to my UCAS application page or portal, and I'm going to add the list of those schools. So I will start with Swansea University. Swansea. So just showing you how you can add the names of those schools here. And the course is Adult Nursing. course is adult nursing. So they have two type of adult nursing here. I would have to double check which of them I should go for. So usually you would know the type of nursing you're applying for through the code. So the first code is B702 and the second code is B740. So I'll double check on the school website. The correct code is B702, and here I have the option of B702, so I choose that. And I think they have just one at the location, which you can also double check as well on the school website. As you can see, the location is still here, so ensure that it tallies with what you can see on the course website. Please double check that when you do your application. And the start date is September 2025. And yeah, I don't need to add any additional information. Entry point is, of course, you're starting your study from year 1. So live at home while studying, no, because you are traveling from your home country to the UK, so you're not living in your house while studying. So I will save that. And yeah, please do check, read through all of this. I've already read through this before, so I will just tick yes, and then I'll click save. So as you can see, I have already added Swansea University to this list. So if you want to add more schools, just come back here again, click on choice. I can add Cardiff. Cardiff also give funding for nursing. So please double check what type of funding they also have for this particular program. Double check which of them this school give funding for, but I will just choose adult nursing. Please do double check to be sure what the UCAS code is, and click on the location, click on the start date as well. And yeah, starting from first year, no, and I will also tick this and add that here. Okay, so remember, you are able to add up to 5 choices to your application. So if you want to add, you can keep adding until you make them 5 or less than 5. Or let's say for instance you don't want to add them again, you can as well come back here and delete it if you don't want to add them to the application. You can either delete or edit for you if you don't want to add them to the application. Okay, so that is one way for you to add more schools to your application. And if you go down here, you will see how you can provide all of your information in your application before you submit. And also one key thing is that you need to also provide your references when you apply through UCAS, and your referees must provide their supporting statements, which should be sent to their email before you are able to submit the application. So it means that you need to submit, if you are applying through UCAS, you need to start your application as soon as possible, and your referees, which can be your lecturer or your current employer, you should provide their reference to you before the application deadline, because without this you will not be able to complete your application. And lastly, I also saw a question on my channel when somebody asked about how if they will need to pay. So yes, if you're applying through UCAS, you would need to pay, I think, a sum of £28.50 for your application fee. So without your application fee, you will not be able to submit your application via UCAS. So please take note of that. So in summary, you need to if you want applying through UCAS, you can apply adding 5 schools to the application on the portal, and you need to pay for at least, and you need to pay £28.50 for your application fee for you to be able to submit your application. Also remember that you also need to ensure that your references are able to submit their responses before the application deadline. Okay, so I hope this is helpful.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Please ensure that you follow these processes correctly, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me, or you can as well reach out to the school to ask further information about the application process. So thank you so much for the love, thank you for the support, thanks for all of those who have just joined my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate all of these. So if you have any other question, do not
hesitate to drop them for me in the comment section. I will always stick around to respond to you. All right then, please share this video with your family and friends, and also watch the previous videos I have made about this nursing program so you can actually understand how to go about the application. All right, thank you so much for your support, and see you in my next video. Bye and happy new year.